Hey everyone, so let's learn how we can make this beautiful jhula with some very basic things which are easily available at our home. I made this jhula for Bal Gopal for this Janmashtami. So let's have a look what are the things we will need. So the first thing is a roll which you can find in aluminium foil pack. So I have taken 3 roll. Second thing is मिठाई का डब्बा and random डब्बा छोटा सा for झूला and a satin cloth. I have taken maroon. It's your choice, whatever color you want. So the first thing I am doing is I have to paint the roll in brown color, all the 3 roll. So instead of water I am adding Fevicol and acrylic color. The color is brown and now I will paint the roll, all the 3 roll, and keep it aside to let it dry. Now second thing is to cover the box of mithai with a satin cloth and finish it with pasting lace. So cut the satin cloth according to the size of the dabba. Now with the help of glue gun, here I am pasting it with Fevicol, but Fevicol didn't work, so glue gun is a good option. So cover both the dabba with the satin cloth. So after adding lace, I am going to add mirror for some shiny look. So in this way I have pasted mirror. And this is how the small box is decorated. So for the string, I have already prepared one side, and for the other side you can follow the step. You will need needle and thread and also some beautiful pearl and flowers. These are ready made, you will get in market for 10 rupees pack. One flower cost 1 rupee. So follow this step for making the string. These are some pearl and flowers. preparing the string, now it's time to color the flowers. So these are some flowers which I made with biodegradable poly bags, which is easily available in your house, like you have extra in your house. So I'm going to paint it with gold spray paint. So these flower link is also available in the description box. You can check it out how I made this flower. After coloring it, what I'm going to do is take some lace and move it around the roll. So these two are pillar of the jhula. So I'm pasting the lace to this roll, and also with help of needle I am making hole for fixing the flowers. So in the pole I have to fix 2 or 3 flowers, so 2 and 3 hole is enough. So in this way I am going to fix the flowers. Add some silver leaf. These are glitter sheet. I have cut it into a leaf shape and pasting it with the help of glue gun. It will give some shiny effect, so I have added this. You can also take green color for this. I found silver more beautiful. After fixing the flower to the pillar, now it's time to fix the pillar with the big box. It's not the box, it's the cover of a box. So it's time to fix the pillar to it. After fixing the pillar, one part of the jhula is ready. And this is the second part. It's almost done. The only thing is left is to decorate the upper part of the jhula with flowers. So here I am adding a lot of flower on the top. Some are ready made and some are handmade. As I told you before, you will get the link for the flower in the description box. So this is how the main jhula will look. I've added some pearl and some colorful flowers. All are handmade. this is the final look of the jhula. I hope you all like this video and the easy way you can make this beautiful jhula.